Real spot. Real tech. Real insight.
Hi guys, and welcome back to The Real Spot. And today, let me ask you a question. Have you been dreaming of rich room filling sound, but think audiophile grade is out of my reach? Think again, because today we're building a high-end audio setup on a budget, of course. So let me set the scene. Now, forget the myth that audiophile quality is only for the rich. With the right strategy, brand picks, smart shopping, and some setup secrets, you can achieve jaw-dropping sound without even emptying your wallet. So, let's get to the heart of the system. First up, the most important piece, great sound starts with great speakers. Here's a tip. Allocate about half your total budget on this one component. Now, models like the ELAC Debut B5.2 or Dali Cupid are standouts in 2025, delivering excellent detail, clarity, and rhythm for under £200 a pair. If you have a bit more space or a larger budget, Wharfdale Diamond's 12.3 floor standards punch way above their price. But a speaker is only as good as its partner. That's like your wife or your girlfriend. A solid integrated amplifier like the Rotel A8 or an affordable Denon brings the best out of your speakers, and you can snag one for around £399. Also, pro tip, always check your amps matches the speaker's impedance and sensitivity for optimal sound and volume. Next, consider your music source. In 2025, affordable network streamers and DACs like the Wim Ultra let you enjoy high-res streams or even your vinyl collection. If you're on a tight budget, powered speakers like ROAC Mark 1, Mark 3 or ELAC Debut Connect X are all-in-one heroes, amplification built in, just like plug and play, and just start listening. Okay, don't overlook small investments that make big impact. Place speakers on sturdy stands or at ear level. Quality cables and proper positioning can unlock surprising details. Also, budget 10% for accessories and consider used gear, for there's always a bargain out there for good value. Okay, not every room is perfect, so room shape and materials can dramatically change your listening experience. Avoid placing speakers flush against the walls. Give them at least a gap of 5 centimeters so you don't get that booming sound, especially if you've got rear ported speakers. From an equilateral triangle with your listening position spot and angle the speakers inwards. Now, this can take time, so get a friend around. Let him have a beer while he's moving the speakers and angling them in, and you're listening so you can find that sweet spot of a lovely soundstage. Now, in small spaces, bookshelves, and even desk speakers like the ROAC Mark 1s work wonders. Okay guys, so a real world high-end but affordable system might look like this. Now, I've got these figures while I've been filming this for you guys, so these are real-time figures. So let's start. We've got the ELAC Debut 3.0 speakers, found them for $299, and also the Rotel A8 integrated amplifier I found for $399, and then a Wim Ultra I found for $349, and also stands and cables of good quality I got for around £200. Now that gives us the system of £1,247, which is an audiophile system that can rival system setups 5 times the price. Okay, still want to save more? Shop used or refurbished. Look for previous year's models. New deals drop every year, guys. So last year's best often becomes this year's bargain. Now, a little word of wisdom. Your system can grow with you. Upgrade one component at a time rather than splashing out all that cash. Just a bit of wisdom. Now, if space or neighbors are an issue, don't forget Audiophile headphones. A great set and a headphones amp can offer a breathtaking experience for much less than a speaker setup. So, ready to build your high-end setup without that high price tag? Drop your dream comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more tech upgrades and sound hacks. And also remember to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend, as The Real Spot is trying to get to 500 subs, and I'll catch you on the bounce. Bye for now.